Hey guys, Victor from Victor G Photography, and today I'm actually shooting with Lana in the studio today. I just wanted to make a real quick video on how to shoot with low-key lighting. And what that is that's what you see in the videos or in the photos where it's really dark and just the light is shining on certain types of body parts. A lot of bodyscapes are low-key lighting, and it's a really easy thing to do. All you need is one light and just a plain backdrop in the background. I'm using a gray one just to show you how easy it is to do without it, without a black one. So basically the situation that you want is I have my 8600, which is just a 600 watt strobe. You don't need anything powerful or anything like that. You can go as low as normal speed light, as long as you have a modifier that's going to be big enough to shine on the body parts that you want photographed. As well, you want it close enough to the model to make a really soft lighting. For the settings, I have my camera set at f9 at 1/60th of a second, or 1/160th of a second at ISO 100. And the reason why I have it at f9 is because when I take a photo without the flash on, it's going to make the entire room dark, which is what you want. You don't want any ambient light spilling on, because the only light you want is going to be coming from the strobe itself. So I'm going to take a real quick photo just to see what my ambient looks like without the flash. Then I'm going to turn it on, and then we're going to go from there. So you don't have to really worry about posing too much. Just as take the photo. Let's see if it'll even do it. There it goes. And as you can see, the photo is completely black. And so what you want to do is, once you have the room completely dark in your image, you want to turn on the light, and then you want to adjust the power accordingly to make it look just how you want it to do. Right now with the 8600, I'm at 1/16th power. And I feel like that's just the perfect amount of light just for how I'm metering, especially for this room, because it's not very dark. The strip box itself has a grid on it, which kind of will direct the light in a very specific way. Instead of just throwing it everywhere, it's going to shine directly where I want it to be. So it's just a little bit more control for you. So let's have you turn a little bit towards the light, just a tiny bit. There you go. All right, let's see how we look. Perfect. Oh, I love it. Yeah, the lighting, the way it casts the shadows, looks so good. You can go ahead and just pose a little bit, bring one of your arms up. There you go, good. Now with lighting like this, the shadows that will come out, you'll see the model doesn't really have to worry about her facial expressions very much, just because the way that the shadowing lies. And you can move them and turn them. If they face more towards the light, a lot more is going to be shown. If they move a little bit away, there's going to be a lot more direct shadows, which really makes it more of an artistic direction. So it's all up to you. Just shoot whatever looks good for you guys. So otherwise, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later. We're just going to shoot some more. All right, so no, that looked really good. I'll show you some. There you go. Here, check that out.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so let's have the other leg across. So instead of that one, perfect. Good. And then give yourself a little bit of a body hug. Good. And then turn a little bit more towards me. Perfect. Oh, I love how that looks. It looks so good.